Hey everybody, MonstaRC here. Today we're back with another unboxing. Another little SCX30 from Axial. We already have the little Jeep. We got the Bronco. Now we're completing the collection with the Chevy K10 square body truck. I love this color they did with it. We'll talk about that a little later. Shout out to the place I picked it up at, Hobbytown. Picked it up for $99.99. Check out your local hobby store. Shop local. Support the small business. It helps a lot. So, without further ado, let's get right into this guy. $99.99. Look at the color on there. It's going to have a brush motor, 2-in-1 ESC. Come with everything you need, ready to run. Even comes with your 4 AA's for your transmitter. Your battery, your charger, everything. Everything you need is in there. So check out the dimensions and all that there. There's a nice little picture of everything it comes with. Everything you need. Your transmitter, battery like we talked about. 4 little AA's for your transmitter. Little cheapo charger. You should upgrade that if you have a chance. I don't like to use those, but it's alright. It's nice that they give it to you, get you started. And of course the truck with the body and everything you need. So ready to run, truly ready to run. Comes with everything you need. SCX30 from Axial. $99.99. Picked mine up at Hobbytown Orange Park. You could find this all over. If you're local, go there and pick it up. So it's got a fancy sticker there. Let's cut that bad boy open. Here we go. I'm excited. Completing the collection. If only we could get it open. Always struggling. Oh, there's more tape. It would help if I cut that. So $99.99. Not a bad price for a ready-to-run truck. So we're gonna pull that out. Wow, look at that. Yeah, bunch of twisties. All right. All right. Well, we got that untwisted there. Now we just gotta, these are always pretty, they make these pretty tough to pull out. They put it in a tough spot there. That's what she said. So there we go, getting all these twist ties out. Look at that. Wow. Give a little suspension travel test there. Look at that. The color on that's beautiful. See the Chevrolet lettering on there. Nice bed. Nice detail on the bed. Windows are nice and kind of half tinted. I like that. There's some tape on the bottom here. I'm not sure what's up with that. Gotta get rid of this tape here. I think it's just holding the body on. So this body's the more flimsier one of the 3 I've noticed already, just holding it. It is a hard body. It's not a Lexan body, but it is a little lighter than the other ones, it seems. So that's interesting. Just pops off just like that. You lift the front, and then it slides off. There's a nice little bracket there. So I'll show you that again. This goes on like that. Boom, boom. Just pops off. Bam, bam. Just like that. Piece of cake. Get rid of that piece of tape there. So here's our battery. We got one charged up, so we're actually gonna pull that battery out so it can get charged. It's nice. It's got little mounting clips in there, so you could put your extra wires across and it holds it down, doesn't get in the way of anything. So we have a nice battery right here, cooked up, charged, ready to go. But that's nice. Look at that. Just like all the other chassis, got some extra mounting holes there for your shocks, so you could change the travel on this thing. These have lots of room for upgrading, of course. I could already feel this has heavier rims than the other ones do, so that's interesting. Compared to these, this one feels a lot heavier. So I think we should pop a battery in. Let's see what else is in the box first. So here's our manual. Put that down over there. We've read that a bunch of times. We'll check it out later, see if there's anything new in the K10 one. This is going to be our transmitter. It's just going to be a SLT2. Here we go. Batteries in there attached to it. Looks like we get some extra little spare parts with the K10 as well. Here's your charger. Get this guy set up real fast for you. Transmitter always on first. Huh, just don't want to close. There we go. Just because it's fresh, I don't know. There's our transmitter on. Everything's set. Let's get this set up with the battery here. Body back on, because the one nice thing about these is, I'll show you right now, turning them on is fairly easy. Forgot to hide that strap out of my way. Hold on. There we go. Oh, I picked up a whole car. Tried to put it on. Boom, boom. Transmitter's on. Let's turn the car on. The power button's just right there, so we're gonna hold that. Bam, it's on. Let's try it out. Join the brigade here with the other SCX30s. We need something to crawl over. Oh, I think I like this one already more than the other ones. Look at it going over the Bronco. Look at it. Pretty cool. I'll set something up quick. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. Check it out. You'll be able to see this thing crawling around. Oh yeah, and real quick, party mode. It's got lights. You guys gotta check out the lights. That's another cool thing about the SCX30s. Some cool lights on it. That's awesome. Look at that. SCX30. Gotta love it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. One more time, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. What do you think? Stick around, watch these videos. Peace out.